Well, Kimberly, thank you so much for waking up with us. We're excited to talk about this. So, National Skilled Trades Day. Tell us a little bit more about this and why it's such an important day.
Well, it's a day in which we recognize the skilled trades, which are all in-demand occupations, such as welding, HVAC, which we both provide those programs here at our school. Skilled trades, it's like almost my generation skipped going into them, and that is what provides the stability of our infrastructure within the United States.
Right.
And I mean, think about all of our power plants and petroleum companies. They need skilled trade guys to go there and work. Without them, we can't just do the day-to-day operations. So it's very, very important that we replenish all of those type, of employees.
So, that's where you guys come in. Tulsa Welding School. Tell us about this. It's a really cool program.
Yes. So Tulsa Welding School, we're the largest welding school in the United States. We have actually, when you walk out in our shop, it actually will take your breath away because we have 316 welding booths all in one location. It's a huge, big warehouse. So even employers are taken back with, how much and we have in one space. It's usually bigger than like the industrial market. So
I love that. And it's an on-demand career. And you said, come in, get your degree and get out and start working.
Yeah, we have a whole career service team that is actually working with employers to ensure that our students have every opportunity to go out there and find their dream job. So they just need to come and do their part and then, learn all the skills from our highly trained faculty. And then we will make sure that they have opportunities to interview and introduce them to great employers throughout not just the Houston area, all over the United States. They want our students.
You're really there for people. Where can they go for more information and to apply?
So they connect, it's 243A Greens Road, Tulsa Welding School. You can see us. We're kind of over in the industrial area. They actually can call 281-975-0430.
Sounds good. Thank you so much, Kimberly, for taking time to speak with us.
Okay, I appreciate it. Take care.
Thank you. You too.